Before any house can be handed over by the builder to the house owner, final work needs to be performed. Drafting of these final features is called the finals. Grading of the soil for front yard or the garden area needs to be measured for vertical difference. This is done using the elevation at different locations. The backyard water is planned to flow equally between adjacent houses, so a swale is calculated and constructed before handover. Sod is added for the garden and backyard area to make the house look good. All these features need to be captured in the draft and shared with the house owner, as this forms the final legal document. For the drafting of a final survey, we need drafting inputs such as the control survey, customer order sheet, field sketch, and subdivision plot. Let's begin by opening the control survey. After the control survey is opened, locate the required lot identified in the customer order sheet. The lot is identified as lot number 27 in block number 1 in section 8. The lot is located, and this is the required lot. The lot is copied along with the crew points so that we can work on it. Note that we copied the required lot along with crew points and adjacent lot lines and lot numbers. Next, we locate and split at our boundary corners. Lines are selected and split at the corners. Next, we add the iron pipe symbols, such as donuts or 3/4 inch pipe. They are now complete, and the donuts are useful to identify the boundaries of our lot. The subdivision plot is opened in order to acquire the bearings and lengths and update them. Each side will require both a bearing and a length. Note the addition of the labels to each one of the sides is conducted and is now complete. Note that we have an arc in our lot. If our lot possesses an arc, we have to update details like radius, arc length, and chord bearing. All this line work is then translated to designated layers. For example, the easement main layer is transferred into the easement main layer. All the line work is then transferred into designated layers. The drawing is then rotated to make sure that the road is facing down, along with the north arrow taken at 0. Next, the adjacent lot numbers are updated. Note the updating of lot number 28 and lot number 26 is now complete. All the adjacent lot numbers are updated and transferred to their respective designated layers. Next, the road name is added, along with the right-of-way, which was provided in the subdivision plot. In this case, the road name of Beckwood Drive is given, and the right-of-way is identified at 50 feet. The labels are created and added, and are now complete. Next, we add the ties from the building corner property lines. Ties are being added, and generally a minimum of 5 ties is required from the building, 4 on the sides and one in the front. Ties are now complete. Next, we draw the modifications which are provided from the field sketch. All the modifications, including AC units, patio, garages, driveway, and sidewalk, are added per the field sketch. You can see the creation and drawing of the patio is underway. The patio drawing continues. And is now complete. Note the existence of the driveway and the sidewalk. And per our sketch, a fence has been added. Fence information is translated to the drawing, and a fence is now being constructed. The fence is complete. Next, we update all the elevations identified in the field sketch. Generally, these elevations are taken from two places. One is near the building corner, and the other near the property line. All the elevations are updated accordingly. The swale is now drawn by using the elevation heights which are provided in the field sketch. The swale construction continues. Refinements are made, and the swale is now complete. Next, we set the directional arrows for the swale, generally from high elevation value to low elevation value. Arrow labels are created and are now complete. Any easements found in the subdivision plot are translated over the required lot and labeled accordingly. All the easements are labeled per the subdivision plot. Easement labeling identified and is now complete. We now update the rod information as per the field sketch. These rods are typically defined as donuts and require labeling. Labeling continues. And is now complete. The information is updated per the requirement, and the finals drawing is now ready for delivery. Thank you for watching this VIDE video.